Okay.
Ready? Go.
That was gross.
Hello and welcome back to Animal Wonders. Today I've challenged Taylor to a smell off. Is this the first time we've been on camera together since like the very first time you were on?
Yeah, I think this is the only second one that we've ever done together. So that's exciting.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. So I challenged you to this smell off because we've talked about it before and we both kind of have decided that we don't have very good sense of smell.
Yeah, not very good.
The interns that come in, they kind of get hit by this wall of animal smell and I don't know, do you smell it?
I don't even smell it anymore. The only time that I can really smell, I guess, really well the animals is if there's a new animal and they bring it in because it changes the whole dynamic of the room and I can definitely smell that, but then I get used to it and it's back to nothing.
So we can't really do a smell off just us two, so we asked Augusto and he has kindly offered to be our referee.
Hi, everybody.
So me and Taylor are going to put blindfolds on and do you want to go get the mystery animal now?
Yeah.
We're going to smell the animal and try and figure out what it is, and then, so we don't cheat, we have to write down our guesses and to keep us honest, and then we'll show you what we guessed.
All right, here I come.
Okay.
I'm
Sneak your noses.
gonna
Don't
face
stick-
plant.
yeah.
Oh, something touched me.
Just, yeah.
Okay,
I
sorry.
don't know if I should bend.
Just stand there. I got you.
Okay.
I'm going to go over here.
Did you already pass me? I didn't smell.
Hold on, I'm going to go with Taylor here
Okay.
first. There, I'm bringing it. Smell.
Oh, I don't know.
Gosh, it's really, I smelled a faint, almost ammonia, but it possibly, so I think, I don't want to tell you too many hints.
I know, I was like,
I smelled
think,
a little bit of dusty too. I feel like it's a mammal though.
Yeah, I think it's a mammal, and I feel like I could smell like a smell. I just don't know what that smell was.
Okay, I'm gonna start writing.
I don't know if
Uh-oh.
this will be readable.
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3, turn it. I did Cheerio the chinchilla.
Oh, I said lollipop.
All right, let's take this off and see.
I have no idea how you knew that.
I could totally smell a little bit of dust. Look at her little whiskers. Okay, I'm gonna smell her again.
I know, now I want to smell her. And
Okay, I can
stick
get
my nose
I
in.
can get a better whiff when it's like all the way in there.
I feel like if I got my nose really in there, I would have guessed like guinea pig or chinchilla, because I feel like I can smell the hay smell better when my nose is like in her.
All right. I'm going to put her back, and I'll surprise you. Put on your blindfolds back on.
Okay.
I won. So this is gonna go right there. Haha! I think we should raise the stakes.
Oh gosh.
I mean, it'd be great to have like bragging rights, but what if there's a consequence to losing?
A number 2 consequence.
Maybe. I think whoever loses has to smell a really horrible smell. I mean, it might be
It
poop.
could be poo.
It's up to Augusto.
All right, Jessi, I'm going to need your nose. Just stand there. Okay,
Am I
smell. Just smell it. Don't lean forward. Just smell it. There we go.
I can't.
Can't get anything. Well, let me see. Taylor.
Yes. Okay.
There we go. Smell away.
I don't smell anything.
Okay, hold on. Let me try
It's like a
something.
1 in 100 guess.
Another smell?
Okay, yeah.
There we go.
Yeah. I'm trying so
Nothing?
hard to sniff it in. I mean, that time I smelled something. I mean, it could have been your hand. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna rule out like any of the super stinky animals.
Yeah. I feel like we would have smelled something from like Gaia or
Gaia's the
Foxes.
armadillo is yes, exactly. And it's not poop unless it's like old.
Yeah.
I mean, I think it's a reptile, but there's so many.
And none of them have smells.
Well,
the snakes.
Titus the tortoise. I
Yeah.
mean, he's stinky. Okay, I'm gonna make my guess. 1, 2, 3. I did Loki the water dragon.
I said puzzle, the ball python.
Ooh. Okay, let's see. Oh! I mean, you were closer with snake.
I was just guessing since I couldn't smell it.
Oh yeah. I'm actually
Sandy.
surprised because this is Sandy the sand boa and she lives in sand. So I feel like she should smell sandy.
Yeah.
sand smells, right?
Something smelly. She's like,
I was trying to put her cloaca towards your face at the end there, but it didn't work. It didn't work.
I mean, snake urates smell bad, but like, thanks for that. That's cool. I mean, that's important that they don't smell in nature, so they don't attract predators. But it's cool that I couldn't pick up anything.
Yeah.
Really. Still 1-0. I mean, I feel like you maybe should get a half point because you had snake.
the Price is Right rules. Closest without going over to a different species or like family.
All right, I'll give you half a point. You have to rip your note card in half.
Okay.
Smell, Jessi.
Oh,
Smell.
that smells. I can smell that.
Okay, Taylor, smell.
Definitely a smell.
Okay, you got the smell.
It's not a bad smell.
No.
Like lemony. It's like fruity almost, I feel. What would be fruity?
Not bad smelling, but definitely a smell. Like I don't know. Not dusty or hay.
Yeah, not hay. It doesn't smell like musty or, oh man, that's hard.
I think I have an idea. Maybe.
Oh, I don't. I mean, what animals do we have?
That have a fruity smell.
Okay, I got mine. You
Yes.
ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. I did Kaya the dove.
I said Ophelia.
Oh, you did it!
Points.
Why
A
do you
legit
smell?
point.
I want to smell you.
Hi, hun.
So interesting.
Hi. She smells. What gave it away for me was she smells like the box, the like wood box that she sits in. And,
it's
like,
almost like that pressed wood or whatever.
So I was like, what has a wood smell? And I was thinking of the sugar gliders, but I was like, they would smell way worse.
The sugar gliders would definitely,
so
they
I was
would
like,
smell,
But what else lives in a wood enclosure?
Hello, little snifflers. Oh, I've got you and you've got me. Would you like a banana? See, if I would have heard that,
Yeah.
I would have known it was you.
Very distinct.
Hi, pretty
lip
girl. All right, you can go snuggle back in there. You're very cute. Yes, you are. You got it!
I got one!
Dang, I was so off.
I'm just happy I got a point. I was worried after the second one that I would be pointless.
Can Jessi smell? Taylor, smell.
Oh gosh.
Do you need another smell?
Yes.
All right. Smell, Jessi.
Can I get closer?
No, you just stand still. Otherwise,
I'll poke it.
All right, I'm ready.
there you go, Taylor.
Oh gosh.
Are you getting anything?
No, not really.
I don't think it's a mammal.
No, this one I think is a reptile again. But again, there's so many.
Hard. I'm gonna try and figure out like what doesn't live on like a smelly substrate, and then so process of elimination. Okay, I have an idea.
I can really smell anything, so I guess the least smelly enclosure.
Yeah, that's what I'm going for.
Okay.
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, I'm guessing blueberry the skink.
Me too.
Hey! Yes! Oh my god!
Yay!
Process of elimination. Hi, non-stinky blueberry.
Yeah, I figured Argos
girl.
would have like a sandy smell, and
Yes.
then Loki I thought would smell like dirt.
Dirt,
Or,
like damp
plants and
damp dirt. Yeah.
But blueberry.
She can't live on dirt because she is missing her toes, and it would rub her nubs and it would hurt. So she's kept on a soft carpet so she can move herself around and not hurt herself. What do I smell like? You're smelling like crazy. Ha ha! Another one. Pressure's on.
I know, I really
I
don't want to smell it.
this.
All right. Smell, Jessi. Okay, Taylor.
All right.
Smell.
Do you smell anything?
Should be a little bit of
Let
something.
me smell a bit more.
There you go.
Really?
Smell. Let me reposition this guy.
I smell
Okay.
something.
I smell like
Okay, Taylor again.
Doesn't smell fruity.
No, not a fruity smell.
Doesn't smell like bad.
Yeah, and it has a smell.
It doesn't, it's hard to pick up, but it definitely has one. But I don't know if it's the animal or what they live on.
Yeah.
Now I've confused myself.
Yeah.
Can we each get one more? I
Yeah.
want to confirm a theory.
All right, here, ready?
Yeah, oh,
Go. Smell.
okay. I'm picking up on something.
Am I good?
Yeah.
Okay, let me think.
I smell something. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I smell something that's giving me this guess.
Okay, I'm ready.
You ready?
Okay.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Loki the water dragon.
Kizzy.
Why do you say Kizzy?
I was thinking you maybe had a quill now that he's drinking us.
I was close!
Whoa, you were closer!
I smelled dirt. I smelled the planty stuff that we were talking about.
I thought it was like a quill that he picked up out of the dirt and dust from out there.
This is
trickier.
Smaug, the red-eyed crocodile skink, and they live burrowed in damp soil, and they come from New Guinea, and they're always really secretive and hiding in these little damp areas. But it's not boggy. Does that mean I won?
Yeah.
All right, Taylor.
So go
prepare
find
yourself.
a gross thing
Yeah.
for me.
So after a second of thinking about it, I realized I didn't actually win that round. But I was closer, and precedent says that I get half a point. That means I have 2.5 points. How many do you have?
2.5 points. So you have to smell it too.
Okay.
Ready? Go.
That was gross.
I've smelled it before. I think it's Kizzy.
Oh, okay, I was thinking it was chemo.
I feel like it has more of a distinct, oniony smell.
Is it bad to ask to smell it again?
You smell it again. I don't want
Yeah.
it is still in my nose.
Okay.
I got a whiff again. I got another whiff.
It's just terrible.
Okay, should we guess or should we look at it? I mean, I'm gonna guess Kismet.
I think I'm still gonna go with chemo just because I
Okay,
don't have another
let's
guess.
see it.
Okay, now
Let's
you
see
can
it.
see
See
it.
it?
Yeah, now you can see it.
Oh,
Mimi!
we were even saying that was the worst.
Oh, Mimi the monkey's poo.
Well, I think,
Thanks.
I think you did well, and the only winner here is myself.
Oh, great. Well, thank you so much for playing with me, and thank you for helping.
Yeah, and it was fun. Anytime.
Yeah. It was a lot of fun.
Awesome. All right, I have a little bit more to say to them, so I'll see you guys later.
Cool.
So even though Taylor and I are pretty smell blind to our animal's normal scent, we can still use smell to determine an animal's overall health. Humans are actually pretty good at smelling sickness and infection in other humans, and it can be extended to other animals as well. Humans also use smell to avoid things that might cause us to get sick, which is why poop, ammonia from urine, vomit, and rotten things make us want to avoid the area or might even cause us to gag or want to vomit ourselves. The bad smell reaction and vomit response is built in as a natural instinct, so we don't eat what's going to make us sick. The more you work with animals, the more experience you have with healthy animal smells, and your nose can then pick up on what's not normal for that animal. So smelling animals isn't weird. It's actually technically part of our job. Thank you for watching Animal Wonders, which is produced by Complexly. If you want to keep imagining the world complexly with us, check out the Crash Course Business Entrepreneurship Learning playlist, hosted by Anna Akana. Over 17 episodes, she'll explore how to take an idea and grow it into a thriving business. The first video can help you figure out if you want to be or already are an entrepreneur. The link for the playlist is in the description. And if you want to keep going on animal adventures with us, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye.